And if you're not here, it's because you don't know or you don't care. And either way, that's a problem.
Really, it is about self-selection. You need to say, I want that. I deserve that. I want to make that happen for me. And if you can do that, then you need to be here.
You know, the networking is unbelievable. You sit down at a booth and you learn things that you didn't know you were going to learn when you're sitting down.
We have been very blessed at the connections and network and the people that we see here. I mean, you get business owners that are running $100 million plus businesses down to sales reps.
You have guys like me that come and actually teach you how to strategically stay motivated and inspired.
I like how, you know, they got a speaker on the main stage, right? But there's also breakout sessions. There's also the trade show. You can do what you're really like wanting to do.
To be able to see main stage speakers, see breakouts, and then to have the opportunity to speak to vendors, I mean, there's nothing like it.
Here to tell them how to go beyond what they do in a way that's going to blow their ever-loving minds.